Away, gents. Yeah, guys. So, if you watch yesterday's weekly analysis video, guys, so this is where I'm looking at US30, guys. US30 hasn't played out yet, guys. Still ranging here in this zone, guys. So, I'm still waiting for US30. What I'm expecting from US30, guys, is just a small retracement. And I have two zones, guys. It's here and here, guys. So I will wait and see what happens when price reaches here, guys. If it will reject, go up. Maybe it will reject and go up, guys. I will start looking for buys there, guys. And then, but I will see what price does, guys. And then I'll give an update in the group, guys. And then it can also do this, guys. It can also just drop and acts like it rejecting and comes back and sweep all the stop losses and then goes up from here. So guys, we are having two scenarios here on US30, guys. So you see, this is a 4-hour time frame, guys. This thing may take even 2 to 3 days to play out, even a week, guys. So for now, I will not be trading anything on US30, guys. Okay, let's check gold. Okay, Goldie. Okay, let me check this small time frame. Let me see on the 30 minutes what's happening. So guys, I think some of you caught this if you watched the video yesterday. I think this gold trade was very simple. The gold and what do we call silver? Gold and silver, guys. I had a simple setup, guys. I even told you yesterday on the video, guys. I pinned the video in my group, guys, so that you can watch it. But if you saw it, guys, it must be nice profits right now, guys. So right now, guys, let's see. For now, I'm still holding. I'm even holding one buy now. Some of them I closed here. Immediately when I saw this candle, this bearish candle, guys, I closed. I left one stop loss, one break even, guys. Right now, my stop loss is in my entry. It's here now, guys. We're in profits now on gold. So, guys, right now, what I'm expecting gold to do, guys, my next move on gold, I won't do anything for now. Just wait for gold. Maybe to come break out of here, comes back to retest, and then we are going up, guys. So my next move on gold will be here, guys. So let's check which way I can target. So guys, if you don't watch the videos, guys, you won't learn anything, guys. Signals won't take you anywhere, guys. You'll say expecting signals won't take you anywhere, guys. You must be able to trade on your own, guys. You must not depend on signals, guys. I'm a person also make mistakes, guys. So you can't depend on me to send signals, guys. So the best thing, guys, I'm giving you free education. Just subscribe to the channel, guys. That's the only thing you have to do, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment, guys. Every time when I drop a video, you'll get notification, guys. So that you can follow what I do and then add to your own strategy, guys. So yeah, guys. For me, right now, this is what I'm waiting for on gold, guys. Nothing less, nothing more, guys. I'm still bullish on gold, guys. This is what I'm waiting for. These are the trades. I'll send screenshots when they play out. You know, I always send screenshots. So you'll see when I send. This is what I'm looking at on gold, guys. US100. US100 played out nicely also, guys. I had two zones, guys. I expected Nasdaq to come here or on these zones. On this zone. Played well. Came, mitigated the other block. That's it's still pushing up. So we'll see what happens when Nasdaq reaches this zone here. Okay, sharp, guys. Have a wonderful day, guys. I'll come back to you and update you. Hey,